You ask me for some rules, I give you some rules. You can achieve anything you want if you have a good team, people with soul. If you want to be strong, you have to smile at your weakness, have honor and respect. If you always run after the money, you are just prostitute, nothing else. Never forget your ancestors. They will honor you if you honor them. Always keep your eyes open for everything invisible. If you don't believe in demons, you better start believing. You have to face them before they face you. If you don't know what to do, close your mouth and listen to the silence. It will give you the best advice. And the last rule, of course, never trust the state, trust only in yourself. And of course, in God.
So I drive there, go around and drive up on the fucking deck. He's like, no, he told me to come up. He's like, you can't walk. He's like, his foot's like this big and all bruised. And it's like, she's like, yeah, he said his pants got caught and he went underneath. I was like, yeah. So he was on the back, typical.
Yeah.
My feet were here. We were slowing down and he puts his fucking legs right down.
Yeah, and then he just rolled right away. Yeah.
So fucking dark, man. I'm looking around. I was like, oh.
Hey, but now you gotta like,
I know.
And now you know what? When we put that LED bar, where are you gonna mount it? Like,
I was thinking, man, like
it probably
right
needs
here,
to be on top. You need to make
That's
a
what I was thinking,
bracket.
because if it hits here, the fender's
You're
gonna
fucked.
pop up.
Yeah, you need a little bracket up here, and then you'll get.
That's what I think exactly. This is the thing you say, Tupperware. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about?
She's mint. Oh! She's a little hot, but she's mint.
Yeah,
Yo, that's why it's melted, eh?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I thought it was the water.
No, get your helmet.
It's starting to fucking rain.
Okay, boys. Time to go look at the new compound for 160 Swiftly. That is not where the fucking shovel belongs. Was that you that did that? Yeah. You left it there? You idiot. Yeah.
The other day.
Yeah, that's not a good spot for a shovel if anyone hit that, you know?
Just trying to fucking, let's get rid of some of the branches for our camp though. See
I saw it, yeah. I was wondering, you left your hat right there.
I had to take the gas out of here and drain it and then go get some breathe because I kept stalling.
Oh, yeah, that's what you were saying, yeah. Yeah, you never been here?
No.
That's all I noticed. It's like, oh fuck, I didn't know about this trail back here, but
Oh, this is wicked. Not right through here.
yeah, I'm just gonna break through it. Sweaty.
That's a little rough.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know if you were gonna be good or not, but I'm glad you made it.
I kept going over the rock.
Yo, and you didn't even stall either.
No, I just kept giving.
Yeah, you're good, man. You're getting way better than the first time. Yeah, we won't be stuck at least this time. Yeah. All right, had a nice beer. Checking out the property over here. There's lots to inspect. We'll take a nice look at it now because it might never look the same afterwards. There's already like little jumps around here.
I know.
You can see like, you just gotta set them up.
Like, look at all these little things, man.
It's just
Perfect.
you want to be able to hit it and come back in it.
Yeah, those things.
Yeah, this thing keeps fucking stalling.
I wonder if you're out of gas, man.
Oh,
Dude, that's all over again?
it is out of gas.
Reserve, let's go.
It's on reserve. Is this good gas or bad gas?
Bad.
I'll bring it back if you want, or do you want to hear?
Leave it there, that's for LJ.
Yeah.
He filled up his pipe with it.
Really?
Yeah. Took it out and filled his.
Oh, I was gonna say do a wheelie. Just first gear, clutch, let go. Don't give it too much gas. You'll go right back. But your back brake brings you back down. Full thing of gas in my house. And it's not empty, but it's like, yeah.
Is this like straight sunglasses?
Yeah, bro. Okay, look forward. Like how you would ride the bike, like stand up. Yeah. All right, you're good, bro. All right, we're fucking rained out, but we're working on three-wheelers now. Say it's a three-wheeler, it's a 200 ES, and it's fucking turned into a fucking four-wheeler. Let's go. Here we go. New mechanic shop. We got all the toys loaded up. Not even all the toys. We got a portion of the toys.
160 Swiftly, baby.
That's it.
LJ, take up your shirt.
Let's go. A little bit of oil. Droop, 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 droop. Check this out. We got the fucking Rock helmet. Hold this for a second. And the black label. You can't deny how much that. Look at this.
Hey.
Shine the glasses. You know, like the fucking front. Look at the matchingness of that.
Nothing better, baby. Yeah, she looks dope.
The fucking.
Not much more you could do than that, man.
This is my grandfather's favorite beer. Gotta fucking cheers to him.
Cheers to Grandpa.
That's right. Cheers, bud.
Click her on.
No.
Hey, when it's red flashing, you're good.
Gotcha. Your newest model and 160 Swift.
Model, this guy.
You know it.
Yo, tell us what you're doing, bud.
Starting a new motor for the mini bike.
Oh,
there we go.
Whoa! 160 Swiftly, baby.
There we go. All right. Hey. So we got that motor. That's for this bike over here, right here. We got LJ's machine. Little mini bike paradise here. You know, take a good look at this butte right now. It's the last time she might get to look this dirty. She's gonna get cleaned up.
Fuel line. That's the key.
2 pulls, he's good. Well, how do you feel now about that?
A little ashamed, but I'm still proud.
That's it. Look at him go. Yo, don't lose your keys, bud. Oh, that truck though.
Oh, yo, by the way, 160 Swiftly, that's our newest fucking project over here.
That's
That
right.
fucking ATV.
Gotta
We're gonna
fix
get
this
thing
fucking
running.
bike.
And you know, with all the guys, me, Andrew,
No, that's right. We just picked up this one right now.
We're gonna get her going.
Yo,
Three-wheeler.
check this out actually.
Three-wheeler, Honda, Kawasaki, four-wheeler, converted into one.
That's right. She's the Honda 200 ES motor, repping the fucking Cowie front end. It's been Quebec in the front. That's a fucking Quebec weld if you ask me. We got Quebec weld up here, Quebec weld everywhere. Oh, look at that right there. And never guessed this would happen. But we got fucking suspension in the back, buddy. That's it. A little swing arm action. Ooh. Then we got LJ. Yeah, that's gonna be a new one. You see it at the beginning right now. It's gonna look a lot better when it's all done. So 200 ES action. You know what? One day we might just cut all this shit off, put it in the fucking 3-meter front end on the girl. She'll look mint. How's the bike running? I didn't even get to film you on it. I was too busy talking to myself about the fucking four-wheeler.
Dude, she runs mint.
Yeah,
fucking
man.
second pull. No
Yeah.
problem.
I know, Stevie just didn't know how to turn the gas on.
I did just put the choke on. That's it.
That's
Put
it,
puller.
No, you get fuel line. He's not fully.
No, I was just looking at it.
Oh,
You just gotta look to see if it's fuel.
that's what they all say.
Dude, she's fucking.
Oh, no one
How
pulled.
it works.
The choke isn't on.
But he doesn't know how to start his own bike. Roll the gas!
Ain't no gas in it.
Roll the gas, boys! Roll the gas! I think we're out. Dude, fuck off. You get this thing? There's sparking flames out of the curb. Out. It's all over, boys.
No, there's fucking. There's gas in it.
Oh, remember, we might have to put it on an angle.
No, no.
Oh no, it's good.
A little bit of choke.
You see, and that's why we're putting that new motor in it, because right now it's just not ready to go. But when he gets that 7.5 horsepower, she's gonna be mint.
Fuck it.
Hey, let's go bring it back inside. Oh!
The mini bike will prevail.
Oh look, you fucked up my garage.
I tried it.
Think about it, boys. Like, that thing's gonna be ripping like no problem.
You need the torque to get it going. That's right. He's gonna be riding out in the trails.
Okay.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go!